I'm really proud. I've gone through all 200 birds today, and I'm just looking for the standards, order of the ranking set by the standards. Okay. So the top one thing which I looked at it was overall impression. Then the second best thing I did was the body, how it is. The head and the peak takes the third priority. The fourth is the crust. And then the fifth is the neck and the throat. And the sixth is the collar. And then the last one is the marking, which is the lowest in the order. So good old Gemini, which I look, which is overall impression, just catch my eyes, right? And then the next big thing is like whether a bird has a nice body or not. How do I know whether the bird has a nice body or not? I can really feel when I hold it. Then the expression of the bird, you see the expression of the bird in the face. That's a third important thing you see. The beak, and then the eyes, and then the crest, and the head. That's a third important thing. You can right away catch the bird and then see, oh, that's the bird I want to see. Even you see on the pictures, you see on the video, you can right away say that, oh, that's the bird. That's the third important thing. I looked at it, then the crust. So overall, how the northern owl looks like, just like a owl feature, I see this blue bar is the champion today. You can see on this 10 birds, you can see this bird, outstanding bird to me. The nice body, you see how round the shield is, how width the bar is, the color, the station, the condition, the whoever they bring this bird, just give a pat on there. Really a nice bird. I want to see the result on this blue bar so that I can decide on the 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6.
Page number 1993.
So I give some time just to relax and see what she does, because birds always change like in 2 seconds. So I still want to give a chance for her to just station and see what she can do. We go with the result on the red check. He might be similar to the blue bar. You can see the lip of the shield, nice thigh, and the station-wise, he's always active bird, which I love. The show birds has to show, not like shivering and just worrying about the show cages and trying to come out of the show cages. So that's what I would recommend everybody to do. These birds are really friendly birds. Before the show season, just take them, hold them, bring them back to the show cages. That's the way they do really good in the show cage, and they can do really good in the show. I want to see the result on that color. Really nice. Can I get the result on that?
That would be number.
We'll go next to the theme bar. Really nice candy bird. I really love the way he stations. Really nice bird. Blue tea check is the next one. Really love this bird. Blue tea check. Yeah, she might be really young. Probably 2 months. Maybe even imagine she's really good. The cream bar. 6. That's it.
NASCAR plaque for the show.
Outstanding. Congratulations.
Okay, champion of the show was a blue bar by Andy Sisma. Okay, first reserve champion is a red check, John Philpott.
Good job. Excellent. First year breeder, isn't it?
Nice job.
Thank you. Excellent.
Second reserve was a red T pattern, Bill Henderson, and we would like to present this to his daughter, Robin.
Whoa.
Third reserve is a yellow bar, Larry Friedmore.
Larry,
There you go.
Got
congratulations, Larry.
Fourth reserve is a blue T pattern, Mike Conway.
All right, Mike.
Oh, Mike.
Fifth reserve is a yellow bar, Len Kosminski.
All right.
Yeah, Lenny.
Oh, and fraternity champion, well, I don't have one. Actually, it was Len Kosminski was fraternity champion.
All right.
All right.
And come on up here, Josh. This is something special. So this didn't happen when it was supposed to happen, but I'm making it right today.
Bob Kaminsky, will you come up here? Where is Bob? Oh, thank you. Back in 2020, we awarded Bob the Outstanding Service Award. We'd officially like to finally make that right with you and present you a plaque.
Yay!
The other award that year that didn't get recognized was also for outstanding service, and it was for Kelly.
Yeah.
So, a couple last things. Give Kelly a round of applause and thank you, her assistant. And then,
That's right.
one of Bill's.
Perpetual plaque created that'll be for champion at Louisville every year, and there'll be plates on it, and so each year it'll go to the winner, and they'll bring it back, and it'll go to the next person, and that'll be mailed to Andy. So, and I'll get pictures to Josh and everything for the board.
Give Greg a round of applause.